Put your hands up, put your hands up. Up. This thing. Woo! Beautiful. Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm a YouTuber. Can you spare a minute? Oh my, you should be showing off all of this beauty. Look at you. Look at your friends. Come on, man. No. Nothing is wrong with the feet. Have you went to the beautiful?
Thank you.
Yeah, so you guys from Las Olas?
No, serious, I'm not.
Oh, it's my first time over here and it's lovely.
It's a lie.
Yeah.
It's a lie.
All right, you guys take care. My name is Fabian. I'm Jamaica Walk By. I'm a YouTuber.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, very nice channel out of Jamaica. You should, I would love you to subscribe right now. Yeah, I love what you have on the short shorts with the little top and all that. The shoes. Come on, you.
She was so like, she was like, I don't know.
I'm on this.
Like, I normally wear like J's. I don't wear heels.
Oh my. I need this for the thumbnail. Let me get the thumbnail. Can I get a picture for the thumbnail?
Hold on.
Yeah, I want a thumbnail. Come on. You ready? Blessed upon respect. You don't know, big up all massive. One love. Welcome back to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. You don't know we in a den town like I'm a yard. So right about now, we are currently in one place in a... That is it. Yo, yard man, we are doing. Come in, man. Bad rider. Watch him. A theme place. Real Jamaican in a place. I do a bunch of shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. I want him forward, but him do two style and thing. But yeah, big up massive, you don't know. Blessed love, respect. Right about now, you know, I still have a special guest. Right now.
Bless up everybody, it's Daniela Faye. Still, I'm here, we're out here at Olas, Florida. So I'm just showing Jamaica Walk By around, and this is just one of the other places in Fort Lauderdale that we definitely need to visit. So right over here we're gonna start. Las Olas basically starts right over here, and then they have like a little park area where they have like music and live music and stuff like that. So we're gonna tour that first.
Mad thing. So as the years you say, we are walk go towards where Las Olas pretty much start, and we are going to do an extensive tour of Las Olas over here in Miami, right? Or Fort Lauderdale. All right, see? So the place is so similar. Yes. It looks like Miami, but yes, as them say, we're at Fort Lauderdale right now. We're going to tour Las Olas. Is it Drive or Avenue? Las Olas?
Las Olas, I think it's Boulevard actually.
Boulevard.
So
all right.
We stayed on A1A, which is the road that's basically on the water side.
Yeah.
So you can see like over there the water, and it's a full view. So like while you're driving, you can literally look out.
Look at the water and thing.
Yes. So we basically stayed on A1A, went straight north from Miami, and right over here is basically where it starts.
Nice.
So there's some like shops here. So if you don't have anything to go to the beach with, they have like clothing and, you know, like beach balls, volleyballs, things like that. And then they have places where you can watch sports and get something to eat. So there's a lot of restaurants around here.
Mad.
So,
yeah. Alright, massive, you don't know, it's not a narrating video. We're just gonna show you what Las Olas looks like in my time when we're there. You understand? Blessed love. So if you watch thus far, please may I ask if you like the video. We're gonna tour Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas, show you exactly what it look like. If we can talk to a few persons, we're gonna talk to them. If not, we're just gonna walk through and just see what the place look like in our time. Natural vibe, natural ambiances, natural everything. Just a happy vibe and a happy energy while we walk through and look upon the place. And guess what? All the massive wanna see Las Olas for a while. This is your chance to see what it looks like now. And guess what, too? All our persons that will never see it before, now is your time to see what Las Olas look like. See? Big up our respect and let's walk.
over that side, that's where they do the live music. Most of the time, if they have any events, there's like a stage over here.
Over there, that side.
Yes. And it's so beautiful in the wintertime, like during the holidays.
Man, when they decorate the trees
Beautiful,
and thing, I bet.
Yeah.
Man. So right now, massive, I come up on one stretch where looks pretty lively. Crazy thing, look like it a go on. See a club over here, so we have beat some music, and it's just incredible. So let's see what go on. Let's enjoy it. Mad thing. Yeah, man, you don't know we in them place like we yard, Jamaica Walk By. You don't know we there with Janela Faye. Blessings and love. I'm a tour guide and we have you to walk out the whole of Miami, the whole of Fort Lauderdale, the whole of Clearwater, the whole of some place, all over the world with it.
Yep.
I go and do the right thing, you understand? No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. Keep watching. The video got nice. Yeah. Woo! It's fun, guy. Las Olas. Because I can see some karaoke people singing some rock music and stuff in there. Look like it's a nice energy.
Yeah, it's basically a sports bar. So they usually like show different sports and then they have like a bar over there and then karaoke.
Man, they look like a real vibe.
Yeah.
That is it. That's fine.
This guy is doing like cartoon art. So basically he'll take like a real picture and then kind of
Cartoonify.
Yeah.
Oh, he's drawing you? Yeah. Ah. That man said, where is she? Beautiful! On a couldn't some Jamaican. There's a live snake. They have a live snake in there. Come here. There's a live snake inside.
Oh, cool.
See, there's a live snake. Hi, hello. Yeah, we're just passing through doing vlog. YouTubers.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are trying to love what I see, you know? Nice. Wow.
Perfect place for you to practice your Spanish.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
That is it. Put your hands up, put your hands up. Up. This thing. Woo! Beautiful. Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm a YouTuber. Can you spare a minute? My name is Fabian. I'm from Jamaica.
Nice to meet you.
Have you ever been to Jamaica?
I haven't been.
You should definitely visit.
I want to.
So because you've been so nice, can I give your Instagram a shout out?
I don't use it.
What do you use? TikTok?
No.
What do you don't use any social media?
Not really.
How come a beautiful girl like you don't use social media?
People be weird.
Oh my, you should be showing off all of this beauty. Look at you. Look at your friends.
Don't get the feet.
Come on, man. No. Nothing is wrong with the feet. Have you went to they're beautiful?
Thank you.
Yeah, so you guys from Las Olas?
No. Serious, I'm not.
Oh, it's my first time over here and it's lovely.
It's a lie.
Yeah.
It's a lie.
All right, you guys take care. My name is Fabian. I'm Jamaica Walk By. I'm a YouTuber.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, very nice channel out of Jamaica. You should, I would love you to subscribe right now.
Put your YouTube in.
Yeah.
It has to update, apparently.
No problem, man. So, you know any Jamaican at all?
Any Jamaicans?
Yeah.
I do, yeah.
Yeah, tell me something Jamaican.
Oh, wait. The words? No.
You know a friend's Jamaican? Let me teach you something. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Yeah, I'm Jamaican friends, man.
Hey.
Yeah.
I do, yeah.
Yeah.
My ex is Jamaican.
You see how Jamaicans them good enough.
Yeah.
Cause we get a nice, beautiful girl like you. So we're rolling now. We have style. We have class. Yes, that is it, man.
You are class, baby.
Yeah, she's a YouTuber too. Her name is Janela Faye. Yeah, but trust me,
From Jamaica too?
My family, yeah.
family. So I'm actually getting to grow her channel too as well.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So yeah, I love what you have on the short shorts with the little top and all that. The shoes. Come on, you.
She was so like, she was like, I don't know.
I don't know.
About this?
Like, I normally wear like J's. I don't wear heels.
Oh my.
We went down there.
I need this for the thumbnail. Let me get the thumbnail. Can I get a picture for the thumbnail?
Hold on.
Yeah, I want a thumbnail. Come on. You ready? That's it. Nice. Yeah.
Put your YouTube.
All right. So it's Jamaica, Jamaica Walk By. So I'm gonna drop this video as soon as possible. That's it right there. And you subscribe.
I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
You're gonna see how beautiful you guys are.
You want to put yours in too?
Yeah, definitely. So, never been to Jamaica?
No, I've never been.
Oh my God, when you go to Jamaica, you never want to come back.
Never want to leave.
No.
I bet. I lived in Puerto Rico for like 3 years.
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
How is it down there? I've never been there.
It's better to vacation.
Oh, nice,
But
nice.
it's fun. Definitely go on vacation.
So you guys are not into fashion?
What do you mean?
Yeah, because the way you swag the thing.
We just get dressed.
This is a very last minute decision. Like a very, very, very last minute spur of the moment.
So you guys, best friends or family?
Best friend.
Oh, so where are you guys heading?
Maybe the word.
Oh.
I don't know.
Probably downtown.
Man, so you don't use, you should go on Instagram.
I should.
Yeah, right
I
now,
have one from high school, but like I never used it.
listen, you should go
I
on
have it
Instagram.
from like high school, that's it.
Right now, if you are on Instagram and I post this clip, you could go viral for this beauty and for being who you are.
My old one, if you want to put my old one.
Yeah, I definitely want to.
Last time I posted was like 3 years ago, but
Oh my word.
this is my old
See?
Instagram.
Find it right here. Find it. Find it. Because you see, when I meet persons like you and you're so incredible, outspoken, and then beautiful, look at both of you. It says a lot. You know what I mean? For being human. You know?
You're so sweet.
On me?
Yes.
So you're blaming it on me?
I said you're sweet.
Oh, man.
You're a sweetheart.
Oh, my word. So this is our Instagram. That's, yeah. I'm going to make sure I put it on the screen. I remember to accept the request so I can save something. Yeah, let me save something so I don't get your page all mixed up. I'm going to put it in the description so persons will go and follow your page and say, we saw you in Jamaica, walk by. Yeah, that's it. Right, so I can save it something to make sure. And you are not on...
I'm on Instagram.
Oh, yeah. Let me save something for her. So this is her Instagram massive. Yeah.
And I use it a lot.
I'm going to save something so I don't miss it. I see me, I'll give her a like. So say find yours. So we're just networking, you know what I mean?
We are.
That's how we grow. Just follow it. That's it. You can accept it so I can save something if you have your phone. But trust me, you're so sweet. I love the personality. It says a lot about you.
Thank you.
And you should really definitely go into media. It will work for you.
Other people have told me like,
yeah, you should. You should. I'm number one who will support you and have to share your channel so you can get persons to subscribe and follow you. All right. So I have your Instagram. We can connect.
I just accepted you.
That's it. Let me make sure I find yours too.
Nice to meet you guys.
Oh, you made my day.
Y'all are nice.
All right, see? And this is her, beautiful young lady, trust me. And I save it. Yeah, so I'm not gonna take up much more of your time. Thank you so much. Respect and love. Watch my channel to see what Jamaica is all about, all right? Seal it. My thing. Woo! Outside. Yeah, that is it. See, how cool is that? I love when persons be human and be polite. You know what I mean? But General, what do you say? That's how you do it? Respect, man. That is it, man. Yeah. That was a vibe. Yeah, man. You never. Look at this spot right here. Yeah. Las Olas. So I see the cars, the different type of cars, more like the super cars and stuff like that.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then, like Friday nights and Saturday nights, you'll see like some really nice decked out
Wow.
SUVs, and they have like a really big stereo system, and they drive around and they blast the music.
Yeah. I'm trying to catch some of these cafes too as well. Mash it. Yeah. Look at that. This is nice.
And so basically when I have my staycation, that Westin hotel right there, see it where the little overpass is? I like to stay there, so I usually go there. Sometimes they have like really good sales on the off season. So sometimes I'll take like a week off or so, and then you have to wake up and the water is right there, and everything is right there.
Wow, it's a vibe, it's an energy.
Yeah.
Trust me, it is. Woo! No joke, no doubt, man. And the beach is just right across the road. Las Olas. It's some form of card game. All them things that them a do, card game, trick and stuff on the road,
Yeah.
you can never let me do that. It was designed for you to lose. You only win if they want you to win.
Yeah, if you know the trick, right?
Yeah. Trust me. You can only win once they want you to win. And they will have their own little crew that them par with and make it look like they're winning, and then you're gonna try and then you're gonna lose.
So I know you
So how long is this stretch? What do you think about how many minutes of walking? Or it all depends on how we walk it.
Well, yeah, but there's a pretty decent amount of.
There's the live roses?
buy one?
Man, not right now.
Yeah, there's definitely a good 20 to 30 minutes because it goes all the way down here.
Oh, wonderful.
A1A. And then there's, remember, Lauderdale by the Sea is probably about a 10-minute drive, so you have time. You know,
Oh.
time to walk.
Wow, great. So I'm hoping that everyone is enjoying the video. Please remember to drop some comment in the comment section. Really and truly appreciate it if you can like the video and all of the great stuff. Seen? No joke. So we are currently walking Olas Boulevard if you're just joining and thing. It's amazing. Really beautiful. Especially in the peak of the night like this. Really beautiful. Yeah, all the great machine them there.
they can easily come down here without having a car. Like that's what is way more convenient than like Orlando and those places because the public transportation is not as consistent up in those areas as it is here. Oh, and then they also have a senior shuttle as well. So, you know.
And Uber is expensive. Say it.
Be.
Say it is expensive.
Well, it definitely depending on where, because here a lot of things are not far
away.
Yeah, but in Orlando, definitely, yeah, it would be.
Sure.
But here, everything is right here,
Right in this vicinity.
and most of it you can walk in. So that's really good.
Las Olas.
So the two main spots here is Las Olas and Lauderdale by the Sea. Lauderdale by the Sea is kind of like a lower scale of the Pier 60. So it's not as vibrant and as big, but you still have things to do over there. There's little shops and stuff. So yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. But yeah, the ambiance is always good here.
It's beautiful.
Relaxing, but definitely during the holidays.
They're making two twin buildings here. Yep. Wow. This infrastructure is not even finished yet, and they're building both of them one time. That's rich. Fort Lauderdale. In a them town, man.
The only place that you were able to see was Lauderdale, but basically you saw Lauderdale's little sister yesterday. So
Which is the little sister?
the little sister is Pine Hills.
Pine Hill. Oh. Right.
Yes, definitely. Because it's that similar vibe, you know. There's like a hub for everywhere.
Man. This is one entertaining strip.
It is, yeah.
Let's walk through some sun.
One of the best things is that there's so many hotels here. And like I said, if you're local and you're not here, or not necessarily local, but if you live in Florida and you're able to have your vacations before the holidays, you know, before peak season,
Yeah.
it's perfect because a lot of these places are not so expensive and they have really, really good sales when it's not in the peak.
We're going that way?
Yes.
Yeah, nice. That's how we should develop our waterfront. Like how they actually turn these stretch into tourist attractions.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think it is a little bit. That part, the waterfront part in Kingston, it's like that. It's definitely pretentious.
It has it.
Yes. So that's my favorite spot right there. The West End. And those rooms are beautiful in there. It's spacious, and you can open up your whole back balcony, and you can, see the water and feel the nice salt breeze.
Coming in.
Yes, it's really nice.
Las Olas. Good night.
Wonderful experience having you here, definitely. And big up Lexi, definitely the same way. There's this amazing full of vibes. Never been a dull moment. So definitely, if you have not checked Jamaica Live, I will have it in the description as well. So blessings everyone, and thanks for watching.
Wow.
So basically those hotels are student buildings. So there's that one and there's that one. So one of them, when you go in, you can connect it to the beach. So you go through that road right there, and it goes down the elevator, and then you're on the beach. So you don't even have to walk across.
This road, they just walk.
Yeah.
That's an elevator on the other side too?
There's an elevator there, yes. So you walk across that little tube, because that's the pool over there from the hotel. So you go to the pool, you walk across that, and then the elevator comes down, and then all of the chairs and the umbrellas it's over there as well.
For you to chill out.
Yes.
So this is your hotel of choice?
This is my hotel of choice. Yes. Yeah, one time they were renovating it, and I got a really, really good deal. And I was like, ooh, this is definitely my place I want to come back to. So I always wait until the rates drop. And yeah.
All right, nice. Beautiful. This restaurant that's connected to the hotel?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But I heard it's not really that great. So I would probably just spend a little extra time walking down those ones over there. Those seem really nice.
By the looks of it though, the crowd and thing,
Yeah.
it is actually packed. So probably they would be saying something else. So we are currently walking the Olas Boulevard, and I'm here with Janella Faye. You know what I mean? You guys could definitely check out her channel and subscribe to her channel and support our videos. You know what I mean? We are just walking Olas at night and to see the energy what it looks like over here. Yeah man, it's a good vibe. This is actually a famous strip in Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. If you know Fort Lauderdale, you're definitely gonna know Las Olas. I'm not even from here, and me know Las Olas.
Yes, he's been talking about Las Olas for days.
Yeah, it's been a while. Saying that I want to see this place.
Right.
And I actually did.
Yes.
Wow. So pretty much we're like coming out of the excitement zone, right?
Yeah, so like I said, the other spot is all the way on the other side.
Yeah.
It's called Lauderdale by the Sea.
Lauderdale
So
by
that
the
is, like,
sea.
the closest to any type of vibe.
Yeah. Yeah, massive, no joke. It's beautiful. We're gonna walk for a few more minutes to see this beautiful, amazing place. I just cannot stop talking about the infrastructure. How modern this place is. And yeah, man, so much stuff here to talk about.
Yeah,
Yeah, you were saying?
No, it just, the more the infrastructure grows, the less it feels like a neighborhood. Because at one point, it was kind of like, it didn't have that many stuff over here like that. And so it was almost like a smaller neighborhoodish type of feel, like, in a way. So the more they kind of grow and expand, you know, the tighter everything gets, and it's not like, it feels more touristy now, put it that way, than before.
And maybe that's exactly what they're going for.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. I really love the way they set the dinings and stuff like that, with the nice subtle light and
Yeah.
stuff. It's beautiful.
One thing about these roads, any of these that you take going to the left, it takes you right into the town. And then basically you would stay on that road and it takes you all the way back into Fort Lauderdale area. And from there, you can also ride that all the way out back here to the ocean side. So it's very convenient getting over here.
Nice. You know what I'm realizing? Most of the hotel that I'm seeing over here, we have the same names hotel in Jamaica. I'm wondering if they're like the same company.
Yes, if they're Hilton or Westin or Marriott, yeah, they're the same.
Wow. Because I even see an AC hotel.
Yes, AC is the same one as well. It's powered by Marriott.
Oh, let's go.
Work at night, so you gotta walk fast.
saw them in a line, like they're in a channel.
Yeah. It's really good.
So, what kind of ship are those?
Some of them are cargo.
Oh, cargo.
Yeah. Most of them are that way.
Nice. Do we have crossings? Push. What's these orange light flashing in the street for?
To help people see the people crossing.
Oh, to see the pedestrian crossing. Okay, nice. That's clever.
Yeah, but they still ignore it. They like
Oh,
the
we're
one
going
in
this way.
Clearwater.
He stopped at the light, but we're going this way. I think the way this place set up, it's set up just the perfect way for dining, with the type of lights and the look. Like, come on baby, let's go for a date type of vibe.
Exactly.
And just sit down and eat and spend one bag.
Yeah, you can spend a night at one of these hotels. And then there's also hotels that are further in as well. Like maybe 5 minutes walking, that's inland. They're more reasonably priced than these over here.
True.
Yeah.
You have to remember some of these parkings, you got to pay.
All of them.
See that? Beach parking, $25. Imagine paying $25 just to park your car. That's 3,900 something Jamaican dollar to park in these areas. You hear that? $25 to park. 3,000 odd dollar Jamaican to park. Here? Keep that in your brain. So $25 to park, right?
Yes.
That's 3,000, nearly 4,000 Jamaican dollars to park.
More like an all-day parking underneath the parking garages, but then they have the same style with the app, the park mobile apps. All around that side over there, you'll see like parking spots. You can go there and then just pay like, $2 for a few hours, things like that. And then they actually have parking lots that people kind of like manage on their own, like their businesses, and they rent out, their parking spots.
Yeah.
And they'll charge like $5, $10, $15, depending on like if they have events and stuff. So,
Yeah. Okay.
but it's nice. You go on your walk, things.
Yeah, man.
The only thing is,
Really love walk like these.
there's no Jamaican restaurants over here, so it's not like you can, get a patty or anything like that. You have to go on one of these roads, like Sunrise Boulevard,
Yeah.
Oakland Park, one of those roads, and take that in to get to the nearest Jamaican restaurant.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's the only thing. You don't have that, the music and a lot of the live events are not that big It's just.
You know what are the sweetest thing right now? That may I get some fresh breeze.
I know.
Jeez.
Yeah, it's like that down here. Even during the daytime, they have it.
I thought it would be way cooler down this side, especially with the sea just right there. So yeah, we're still walking, looking at this beautiful place, trust me.
She was like, yeah, like when I get married, like I'm gonna go do a job on it. I'm not gonna take it.
So yes, massive blessings and respect. We come to another end of another beautiful video walking Olas Boulevard. It has been a very great experience for me. I am so grateful to be walking this. It's a stretch that I always liked and I would love to see, and hopefully I get the chance to visit this place again, and it's been great. Big up to everybody who appreciate videos like this too, you know. Big up to everybody who actually, you know, like these types of videos where you can get to see places that you have never been, places that you've been before, and you just want to get some flashback memories, or you just want to say, oh yeah, I love that, and I want to see that place there myself, just like how I've been seeing it. So yeah, Olas Boulevard has been great. You know, thank you for my tour guide.
Yes.
You don't know, Janela Faye.
Been amazing touring you around.
It was great.
So full of life, definitely, and genuine life. You know, because sometimes you link up with people and, you know, it's just not genuine. So, like, it's really, really good to be able to have that because, you know, that's how you work together. So,
Figure that.
I definitely hope that you enjoyed. Definitely. I think this is what? Is this like, I think this is like the last official tour. So, yeah. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all have enjoyed this Florida series on Jamaica Walk By. So it's been a really, really, really great few days. So yes, continue to watch, subscribe, support the channel, and definitely feel free to check out mine as well.
That is
Daniela Faye.
You got that. So the link will be in the description. Just give her one subscribe and jump on the channel and like a few videos. It's easy.
Yes,
seen?
Definitely.
That is it. No joke, no doubt. As we're outside walking Olas, and it's just beautiful. Remind me like a Washington Boulevard 3.0 or 4.0. You understand? So when I have the picture exactly what I'm talking about. So sorry I don't have a drone that I could fly up this side so you can see what it looks like from above. Trust me, it is beautiful. So one love, and big up to all my viewers and subscribers. Big up to my members them. Super appreciate you know. And wow, so overjoyed. We are almost 200,000 subscribers. Big up and respect, and I'm still on the hunt for the 1 million subscriber. You hear that? So big up to Miss Marie D. That's Janela's mother.
Yes.
She been on the road with us all day. You don't know, cook whole heap of sweet food.
Yes.
And basing thing, and been so patient driving us around and all of that. So thank you so much.
Yes.
We super appreciate you. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Big up to all the other YouTubers them we are putting the nice amount of effort in them videos and the nice amount of time, you understand, in recording these videos, vlogging, documenting and showing the world what is going on. So no joke, no doubt. You see me? Big up all the new people them. Welcome. Jamaica Walk By want to tell them, say, yo, don't be a stranger to the channel. Just keep on liking the videos them. You don't know. Share a few of the videos them. It's easy. Share them to your WhatsApp, share to your Facebook, and all of them little thing there. You know what I mean? The one them where you like, you just save them for watch them later. Seen? Yeah, mad respect outside me there. Big up me other YouTubers, my co-worker them. You don't know. Me appreciate all I know we are putting in the hard work. So blessings and respect. And wow, we just have come down to our next point where I lit again, more restaurants and things and whole heap of tourists. It's great. It's a good look as we proceed. Yeah, man. Far in me there. Far in. I thought it was done, but it's getting more lit.
Las Olas to Sunrise Boulevard.
So we walk from Las Olas to Sunrise Boulevard.
If you live in, if you know Lauderdale by the Sea or Fort Lauderdale beach area, you'll know how long that walk was. It doesn't even feel like it, but yeah.
No,
from,
it did.
From
Walk.
Las Olas all the way to Sunrise Boulevard. Yeah.
Oh my word.
That's a long
So this is Sunrise Boulevard. Going that way?
That one right here.
That way?
That road right there.
Oh yeah? So this is Sunrise Boulevard.
I think it's this one.
Foreign is beautiful. Wow. Man. My friend, can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube? She run gone. Yeah. No joke. Me see a lot of these. What them the tour or them run like Uber?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna ask the guy. Hey family, how does this go? It's you do like Uber or it's just driving around town?
It's just driving around town basically.
Oh, nice. I must then take a look at it. This looks super cozy. Love the look of it. And also look expensive. You can get these type of drive at the back too as well. Mad thing. Yeah man. Bless up, respect. Yeah man, but I found a bad machine there now. John was star. That's what we call them in Jamaica, bad machine.
Bad machine.
Yeah, bad machine. Yeah. So once you see one of these come or somewhere you know bossy, like a beautiful car, hypercar, supercar,
Yeah.
machine. So sometimes you stress the machine. So you know what time is it? So if I'm here chilling and you probably don't see a car coming and I say, whoa, that's a Ferrari coming, machine. Once I hear somebody say machine, everybody start looking like where? You know, say it's a bossy car coming, you know? Yeah, bossy car. Yeah, man. You ever been to Jamaica?
No.
You should come to Jamaica, man.
She's Jamaican.
Your fiance is Jamaica and you not reach down a yard yet? You're slipping. Yeah, big up yourself, respect, yeah? I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica.
For real?
Blessings, bro, yeah.
What's the channel?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By?
Yeah. Your fiance probably know the channel because when you want to see what's going on in Jamaica, you watch Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By?
Yeah, and you're actually on my channel now. Looking all cozy on the bike, yeah.
How many views you got right now?
All right now, I'm my channel nearly 40 million views and I'm almost 200,000 subscribers. Yeah. So Instagram, we're all over the 100,000 on all platforms. So it's great.
You live streaming or you're
I'm actually pre-recording right now. Yeah. But I do natural, I don't cut. I just talk and just all the vibes so persons can see the exact reaction from a person. Like you not understanding me a while ago. I am my shit. Now everywhere you go, you're gonna be like my shit. And your friends gonna be like, what? I just teach them. You guys take care, bro. Respect. Yeah. No, Jenny, I think we could have close the video and that's it now.
That's okay.
And just,
You found something else to.
yeah. like John will say, you can't done yet. Just go and walk me teacher. People them love it.
Wanna walk back to Orlando?
Where?
You wanna walk back to Orlando?
In my mind.
That would be a journey.
In my mind.
That would be a journey.
So sunrise, this is sunrise?
Right here. See?
Oh.
Did some
One I was talking about was Nesta.
Oh, okay.
This one is pretty reasonably priced.
Finesta.
This is the one I was talking about.
The other day.
And it's right off the beach. Sunrise Boulevard, you can take that straight in.
Good spot.
Go get you some banana and yeah, back
Oh.
breakfast.
That no sound bad.
That's what I usually if I'm on this side. I go to either Sunrise Boulevard or Broward Boulevard or Oakland Boulevard. So it just depends
That is it, man.
where I'm going afterwards. And then the Galleria Mall is like a luxury mall, and that's not too far from here either. I don't remember which road it's on, if it's Oakland or Broward, but it's very close
Okay.
That's another place.
That's the sign. Sunrise Boulevard. Oh yeah, massive. So I'm gonna take care. Big up and respect. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know, mad respect. Always. Big up everybody. Everybody, big up my moderators them. Big up to people them will always watch the videos them every single time I drop it. And take the time out to leave a comment. Big up and respect. And thanks to Janella again. This is Sunrise Boulevard. It looks beautiful. It looks like it have a vibe. I'm gonna close the video right up at the little light up there. So okay, she's gonna turn here.
No.
Okay. Nice. Alright, massive. I'm gonna take it easy. Blessings, respect. We're outside. This is the Sanesta Hotel, and this is where the video closes. Outside me there. Oh yes. As you say you love me just as I am. You always dream me the best that you can. You say you love me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am. Mad thing outside, look good.